Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unsuspend or fix your suspended account in GitHub. And basically, we are in this community and or the GitHub community, and this is a guide on how to unsuspend your account. And basically here, the suggested idea or the suggested solution is to first review the suspension email. And as you can see, GitHub usually sends email explaining the reason for suspension. So basically, you will need just to go to your mailbox, and after that, you will need to see the reason why your email has been suspended, and see if it was done by error or by mistake or there was some misunderstanding, and then you can after that contact the GitHub support. So basically, you can just reply to the suspension email, or you can reach to the GitHub support, and basically you can go here to the support.github.com, and here we will find the request. Then you can go to account related problems or issues, and from here you will add your ticket. So you will need just your personal account, uh, for example, do others and add the subjects. And basically, here you will need just to give all the details for the suspension, etc. Then you can send a request, and you will need just to wait for the reply. So here you will need just to rectify the issue, and here if the suspension was due to a specific policy violation or misuse of GitHub service, you may need to rectify the issue if you did it by misunderstanding or by mistake, or it was just anything, and you will be needing to write everything as detailed as possible so you can explain and to have high chances to get uh, your account restored. And also you will be needing just to start contacting or talking with the support agent and wait for a response until you get a final response. And basically, if there is any additional instruction given by the support agent, you will need just to follow this instruction. And basically, that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.